The sun shines down on the field. It rays glittering off the leaves. The trees swaying in the breeze. The leaves rustling in the wind. The birds sing in the backyard. Their songs filling the air with joy. Hello everyone. Welcome to my YouTube channel at Mejo. Today I am going to introduce our farm in native. See how beautiful it is. Have you seen beautiful banana tree farm? This is ours. Banana plants have large leaves that are rolled up tightly on top of each other. This doesn't have a woody tongue like a tree. See the flower of banana tree? Have you seen the small tiny plant? It's called Areca nut tree or betel nut tree. In Malayalam, we will call it as Adakya. It is used in Ayurvedic medicine. It has many health benefits if you use in small amounts. Let's see the bigger one. This is kachil. It is a root vegetable. It is called as purple yam or grated yam. Have you seen jackfruit tree? See, this is jackfruit tree. That is a bigger one. It is a large tree with big fruits. See this tiny jackfruit started growing in this tree. This is another rooted plant called Colocasia. In Malayalam, it's called chamber. Its stems and roots are edible. Let's see another special tree, rubber tree. Natural rubber is made out of rubber tree milk. Milky white sap from rubber tree is called latex. See how we are extracting the rubber tree milk. Rubber trees are tapped for latex. This is the dried latex. I will show you another plant called custard apple. Custard apple is also known as sugar apple. It is a yummy fruit with lots of nutrients. This is sweet lime plant where we will get lime with bit sweetness. We use it to make yummy juice. Have you seen this tree? It's rambutan tree. It's given us a beautiful fruits and tasty fruits. Also, it is my favorite one of the fruits. See, I will show you the pepper plant. Come with me. See, this is pepper plant and this is peppers. See, I have a pepper in my hand. Black pepper is a perennial plant which grows with the help of another trees and stems. It grows around it. Let's go to the nutmeg farm. Come with me. And this is one of them. Nutmeg is known as Jadika in Malayalam. It comes in spices category. See, I have one of them in my hand. Down. This is nutmeg tree. I already show you now. This is the same one, but bigger. This is chili. It is a small chili plant widely used in Kerala. It's very spicy. Now we came to the state tree of Kerala, the coconut tree, the Kalpavriksha. Coconut tree is also known as the tree of life in Kerala. Every part of coconut tree is useful. You can make oil, coir and furnitures. Have you seen tapioca? Tapioca is a rooted vegetable. This is pineapple plant where the pineapple is raw. See, there is a big umbrella here. See, it's yam. It is a rooted vegetable. I know everyone is knowing this. This is papaya plant. See, we have a papaya in it. See the brinjal in our vegetable garden? Wow, there is one. If you like this video, please subscribe and support. Bye bye.